And welcome to One CW Question. I'm your host, Vince V6LK, and today is my good friend Adam Kimmerly, K6ARK. Now, you may know Adam because he's got a great YouTube channel. You may know him because he creates all these 3D printable things and he stores them all on his website, and the link is down there. He sells super lightweight antenna kits. He's a soda machine. Adam, thanks for being here. What's your one best CW tip for a new operator?
Well, it's my pleasure to be here. And my one key CW tip for a new operator is to send the way you want to receive. And I think that's a really important thing that, we naturally do in conversation. When we're talking to each other, we kind of mirror each other's cadence and tone. And if you do that, if you send the way you're going to be able to copy, the person responding to you is going to mimic that and send in a very similar way to try to complete that contact. So if you need Farnsworth spacing, say 20 words per minute with 10 word per minute spacing, send that way. And those responding to you will likely at least come close to mimicking that, aligned to your sending speed and aligned to your style of sending to make it easy for you to copy. So that's my one primary CW tip for a new operator.
Well, Adam, that is just great. Thank you so much for coming out and being part of the Project 73.
73.